Hey guys, it's time to twin it, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this butter squishy, and it's going to be like really soft and nice. So you're going to like have 2 layers of tissue paper, and then you're going to draw like whatever pattern you want or like design or anything. And then when you're done with it, you're going to flip it over, and you can use like whatever box, like a toothpaste box or like anything, something like shaped long like this. So you're just gonna start over here, and it has to be really tight, or else it'll be like bad and it won't be good. So it has to be tight. It has to be really tight. Just like that. I'm gonna tape this part right there like that. So you're gonna wanna tape this side like this, like fold it and tape it, and then take your box out, and you wanna stuff it. And before you take the box out, you should go like this from the edges of the butter. That way you have like your square shape. So this is what it looks like after, and I have a template. So if you guys want that template, go down in the description. Bye.